Caddo Lake in autumn has a way of slowing you down. The cypress rise from the water like old sentinels draped in soft moss, holding on to a quiet that feels almost ancient. Photographing this swamp is unlike any other landscape. There are subtle gestures in the trees, delicate shifts in reflections, and layers of light that reveal themselves slowly. For someone new to this area, it can feel challenging, but that's the beauty of it. To truly capture its essence, you need time, patience, and repeated attention to notice the nuances that make this place unique. When we begin this workshop, we step gently into that stillness, sometimes from the boardwalk, sometimes as we glide through the bayous in our kayaks, and, little by little, the landscape starts to reveal itself. This is a fine art photography workshop built around intentional seeing. We don't rush from place to place. Instead, we spend time with a few locations that have real depth, places where the light shifts, the reflections change, and the mood of the swamp reshapes itself throughout the day. And on each return, something new appears. A delicate curve in a branch, a subtle change in tone under an overcast sky, a soft lift of color as twilight settles in. These quiet details begin to build on each other, session after session. Working with longer lenses, the swamp simplifies. It becomes shapes and textures, gentle contrasts, and moments that feel almost painterly. You start to read the landscape differently, noticing its gestures, its rhythms, its layers. The more familiar it becomes, the more expressive your images grow. Between shoots, we take time to connect and review. Midday image sessions help refine your compositions and see how your work evolves from morning to evening and from one day to the next. And when the light fades, we gather for a relaxed evening meal, talking about what the day revealed, the stories we found, and the ones still waiting. By the end of our days together, something shifts. The places that felt mysterious at first began to feel personal, not because you moved quickly, but because you gave them your attention, and in that attention, your strongest photographs take shape. Join us this autumn at Caddo Lake. Slow down, settle in, and let this landscape teach you how to see in a deeper, more deliberate way.